In this video, we'll show you how to pay internationally with PayPal. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Click on Login, enter your email address and password, and then click Login. On the PayPal dashboard, locate and click on the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. Click on Send Money or Send to start a new payment. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. This should be the email address associated with their PayPal account. Otherwise, the transaction might be put on hold. Enter the amount you wish to send. Click on the Currency drop-down menu to select the appropriate currency for your payment. PayPal will automatically convert the amount if the recipient's currency is different. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Include the recipient's email, amount and currency. PayPal will show you the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transaction. Select how you want to fund the payment. You can choose between your PayPal balance, link bank account, or credit and debit card. You can add a note to the payment if you'd like to include a message. Click Continue to review your payment. If everything looks good, click Send Payment Now to complete the transaction. After sending, you can check the status of the payment in the Activity tab on your PayPal dashboard. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.